Copy. I'm going to pull it back max and door. I'll let you take 3 and 4 down track, and then I'll take 0-2. Past 1-1's going to chase him on that. I'd like to get Aces 2-1 out to the airspace.
Copy.
Sorry about that. 9-9, I'm pushing up. I'll hold 9-9. Mark Aces 0-1. I'm going to push back on over to Whetstone and hang out there until 0-3 and 0-4 have shot with the 1-1.
Boeing's F-16 full-size target drone, a converted version of Lockheed Martin's F-16 Fighting Falcon, achieved a new milestone on July 19th by being shot down during a Combat Archer Weapons System Evaluation Program, or WSEP, exercise. First operational WSEP kill of a F-16 was yesterday. Fox. Well done WEG, say Colonel Ryan Serrell, commander of the 53rd Weapons Evaluation Group, tweeted on July 20th from Tyndall Air Force Base in Florida. Colonel David Abba, commander of the 53rd Wing based at Eglin Air Force Base, Florida, the parent unit of the 53rd WEG, also commented on the event. Most satisfying words on a WSEP shot after Fox. Clear the drone, Abba said on his Twitter account. Way to go WEG, 83 FWS and 82 ATRS. Usually, the Air Force tries to recover its target drone aircraft, which are worth millions of dollars. Normally, if a missile passes within lethal radius of the F-16, it will count as a kill. However, sometimes the missile physically hits the target and the drone is destroyed. In this particular case, Abba said that the drone was not recoverable. That being said, Abba said that the shoot-down marks an important milestone for the F-16 program. The F-16 is replacing older jets such as the F-4 Phantom II in the role of target drone. Not only was the Air Force running out of viable McDonnell Douglas F-4 airframes to convert, the older jets simply do not have the performance to replicate newer threats like the Russian Sukhoi Su-35S Flanker E. According to Boeing, the F-16 can replicate 4th and 4.5 generation aircraft such as the Chinese J-11 Flanker Copy or Russian Su-30SM Flanker H. The F-16 retains the F-16's full 9G supersonic envelope. In fact, it is probably more maneuverable than an operational Fighting Falcon due to the fact that it is most often flown with clean wings with only the occasional ALQ-188 or ALQ-167 electronic warfare pod installed. It is a huge step up from earlier target drones in terms of flight performance and other operational parameters. Boeing was recently awarded a contract to convert 18 more retired older model F-16s into F-16 target drones. That's on top of earlier contracts to convert 25 jets in 2015 and 30 jets in 2016. The work should be completed by April 2027.
Their best head-to-head, but this time's a little different.
Well, today we had a competition between two of the best crews and two of the best squadrons that we have here, and then also the visitors from Jersey to load with us to actually experience the competition with us.
With the addition of an extra team, troops from the 80th AMU are unfazed, keeping their eyes on the prize.
As aircraft armament personnel, we come out here, we have to load munitions, bombs, missiles, 20 millimeter, and this competition is to see who's the best out of each squadron. So they pick the best crew and we go up against each other, and it's a timed load and see who can do it the most effectively and the fastest.
For these weapons troops, it isn't just a win, it's just another day at the office. Army Sergeant Timothy Villarreal, Kunsan Air Base, Korea.